Today I am reviewing the Broad and Taylor folding proofer and slow cooker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Broad and Taylor folding proofer and slow cooker is an innovative kitchen appliance designed to make baking, cooking, and fermenting easier, faster, and more consistent. For anyone who loves homemade bread, yogurt, kombucha, or slow-cooked meals, this appliance is a game changer. It's compact, versatile, and thoughtfully engineered to bring professional-level results into your home kitchen. One of the most important aspects of baking bread is fermentation. Most home kitchens are too cold for dough to proof properly, which can lead to inconsistent results. The Broad and Taylor folding proofer solves this problem by creating the ideal warm environment for dough to rise perfectly every time. With precise temperature control from 70 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, you can achieve perfectly proof dough, whether it's winter, a cold kitchen, or you're working with delicate dough types. Humidity control is another essential feature that sets this proofer apart. Using the included water tray, you can add optional humidity to create the perfect conditions for bread, rolls, or pizza dough. It's as simple as setting the temperature, adding water, and placing your dough inside. In just 3 steps, you're on your way to bakery-quality bread right in your own kitchen. The folding design is a smart solution for modern kitchens. When set up, the proofer provides ample space for your dough, but when not in use, it folds down to just 2.75 inches, making it slim enough to store in drawers or cabinets. This keeps your countertop clear while still providing a powerful, full-size proofer when you need it. When fully opened, it measures 18 inches wide, 14.5 inches deep, and 10 inches tall, offering plenty of room for multiple loaves or batches of rolls. For those who bake or cook in larger quantities, the optional accessory shelf is incredibly useful. It allows you to proof multiple doughs at once, batch starters, or prepare 2 trays of rolls or 4 loaves of bread simultaneously. This feature increases efficiency and flexibility, making it ideal for bakers who want to streamline their workflow. The accessory shelf is sold separately or included in bundle options. The versatility of the Broad and Taylor folding proofer goes far beyond bread. In slow cook mode, it can cook stews, one-pot meals, or soft cheeses at temperatures from 85 to 195 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also ferment yogurt, kombucha, or other cultured foods, melt chocolate, and even create unique dishes that require precise low heat control. Essentially, it's a multi-purpose kitchen tool that brings professional techniques into home cooking and baking. Durability and peace of mind are also built into this appliance. The Broad and Taylor folding proofer and slow cooker comes with a 3-year warranty when registered, ensuring that your investment is protected and that you can enjoy consistent results for years to come. Its sleek, functional design fits beautifully into modern kitchens, combining practicality with high-quality construction. In summary, the Broad and Taylor folding proofer and slow cooker is an indispensable tool for bakers, fermenters, and home cooks. With its precise temperature control, optional humidity, folding design, accessory shelf, and multi-function slow cook capabilities, it provides an all-in-one solution for consistent, professional-quality results. Whether you're proofing bread, slow cooking meals, fermenting yogurt, or melting chocolate, this proofer makes every task easier, more reliable, and more enjoyable. If you're serious about baking, cooking, or experimenting with fermentation at home, the Broad and Taylor folding proofer and slow cooker is a must-have appliance that brings convenience, precision, and versatility into every kitchen.